Hi friends, today we're going to draw Leonardo from Ninja Turtles. Leo is the leader of Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtle was my parents' favorite comic book when they were young. Now it's my brother's favorite cartoon. Did you know that Leo is named after Leonardo Da Vinci, who is a famous Italian artist?
Leo's weapon is twin katana swords. In this drawing, we only draw one katana to make it simple.
Now let's draw his eyes. Remember to leave some white space in the pupil. He has almond-shaped eyes, just like me. Did you know that in the real world, turtles lack tear glands? It means they cannot produce tears. Why does it matter? We need tears to lubricate our eyes. So turtles rely on their environment to keep their eyes hydrated. Now let's move on to his jaw. Turtles are reptiles.
Reptiles are cool animals like snakes, lizards, and turtles. They have dry, scaly skin and lay eggs to have babies. They're different from mammals, like us, because they don't have fur or give birth to live babies. Reptiles are great at living in all sorts of places, from deserts to forests, and some even live in water. They're ancient creatures and have been around for millions of years.
There are over 350 known species of turtles in the world. They live on land, freshwater, and oceans. Since we know Ninja Turtles live in the sewers of New York City, and they have clawed feet instead of flippers, they must be land turtles. Let's move on to his body. Turtles' shell are like their natural armor. Did you know that turtles' shell can indicate their age? Because it has growth ring, it can heal over time if it's cracked or damaged. In cartoons, Ninja Turtles often use their shells as shield. I can imagine how that feels, because when I pick up my backpack, I feel like I'm carrying a turtle shell too. Every time I run with my backpack on, this turtle shell of mine keeps hitting my back. I guess that's why Ninja Turtles needs extra belts to secure the shells.
Well, you don't need to rush. If you get up 5 minutes earlier in the morning.
Or maybe one day I'll train my kung fu skills so well that I can just leap to school in a few jumps. Drawing Leo is not easy, so you can pause the video if you need more time. Let's move on to his legs. Draw 2 short parallel lines. Now we're going to add a knee pad. Knee pads are important. They give us cushioning and support to our joints. I wear knee pads when I roller skate. Wait, but why is he wearing shoes? In the cartoon, he is always barefoot, because being barefoot can provide better traction. That's why my brother and I often run barefoot at home. Let's move on to the other leg. His left foot slightly stepped forward, so we draw his left foot a bit bigger than his right foot. If the bandages on the hand and foot are too complicated for you, you can skip them. Turtles' feet can be sensitive to touch. Although they look rough, they have nerve endings that allow them to sense pressure, texture, and temperature. Now let's draw his shell. It looks like a backpack. It looks like a dome. I like ninja. What is a ninja?
Ninjas are like stealthy superheroes from ancient Japan. They were highly trained spies and fighters who could move quietly and quickly, like shadows in the night. Ninjas were skilled in martial arts, sneaking around and using special weapons like shurikens, ninja stars, and swords.
I like black ninja.
Now let's continue drawing his right hand. Let's add some details to his breast. The rest of the arm is hidden. Now let's draw his katana. A katana is a traditional Japanese sword. It has a distinctive curve, single-edged blade, and a long grip to accommodate two hands. No, this is not the katana. Yeah, the katana sword Mom drew is too short. It's a baby katana. We've almost done drawing Leo. Now we will add a few details. These are only nice to have. You can fast forward if it's too difficult. His feet and hands looks like a mummy. Do you know what is the Ninja Turtles' favorite food?
I know, it's hot dog.
No, it's actually pizza. That's why we had pizza tonight.
That was true because Mom was busy making video. And no time to cook.
Now we've done drawing Leonardo. Let's color it in.
Hey, I want to know more about Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci was a super smart guy from a long time ago who could do lots of things. He was a famous artist who painted the Mona Lisa and The Last Supper, but he was also an inventor, scientist, and thinker. He thought about cool stuff like flying machines and underwater boats way before anyone else did. He's like a real-life genius superhero.
We've done drawing Leonardo. We hope you had fun watching this video. See you next time. Bye!